I would like to thank everyone on behalf of my father, George Heron, for this award. Dad died in July of 2020, shortly after he found out he was receiving this award, but with enough time left to tell everyone who had listened that he had earned it. Dad was especially proud that it was the students that nominated and supported him for this award. He donated the money that was awarded back to the social work department, and it was used to start the George Heron Emergency Fund for BSW students. Dad strongly believed that the compassion, empathy, and grace required to be a social worker should be extended to those students learning the profession. A person wishing to follow a career of service shouldn't be held back by unforeseen circumstances. Thank you again on behalf of my dad, and I will close by telling you what he always told his students on the last day of class. This university is like the human body. Engineering, science, and math are its brain, thinking and solving problems. Art, theater, and music is one hand creating and expressing. The other hand is nursing, psychology, and the other health fields, reaching out to heal and to comfort. The social sciences, criminal justice, and law are the leg that keeps society moving forward, and the other leg is writing, the languages and communication that give us our foundation. Education is the heart because they create the teachers that inspire the students who are the university's lifeblood. But social work is the soul. It is the spirit that keeps the body aligned with justice, fairness, and righteousness. Thank you.